To create the cardboard train we need cardboard sheets, A4 paper, permanent marker or pen, scissor and a knife, hot glue gun or wood glue, plaster of Paris, sandpaper, watercolor and coloring brushes. The link to the cardboard trains template is in the description below. So this is how it looks like. To find out how I made this Christmas village and how I added the electronics bit to it, please check out my recently published video, Arduino based Christmas village. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.